Hey guys, how you doing? This is Charlie's Reviews here one more time. And if you are watching this video, that means that you are in a doubt if SatoshiDEX is legit or not. And the same way as I told you in my last video, which was pretty popular, and I save a lot of people from investing with John Armstrong in the Infinity system, I'm gonna be totally honest with you. Same way I told you not to do it with Infinity system because they scammed me. I have invested in SATS and I can tell you is 100% legit, okay? And for you not to fall in all these scams that you can find online, because there's plenty and a lot of people have been scammed, and they think because they have been scammed, they think that this project is a scam. I'm going to leave you down below in the description all the original links, the right links, okay? So you never going to get scammed, okay? Very important in crypto, guys, always follow the legit links, okay? Every time there is a good project, a lot of scammers will try to scam you. Empty your wallets, steal your coins, all these things by creating very similar websites, ask you to connect your wallet and then they empty your wallet. Or by, if you are in a chat, for example, on Telegram, in their chat, and you make a question, a simple question that you should already know, these scammers that are in the chat, they will tell these people don't know much, they will all DM you and asking you for your seed phrase or to connect your wallet to a page which is fake, even though it could look the same, because they can clean the links, okay? So just don't do it. And remember, admins will never DM you first, okay? So you DM them asking the question, they will reply, but every people that come to you first is a scammer, okay? So with this said, let me show you. Okay, so here we are. This is SatoshiDEX real site, okay? You can see here, although I found a site that has exactly the same, but it redirects you to another page, which is fake, and they steal you the money. So what I'm gonna do, I have my referral link here, okay, and I will. This is the link I'm gonna share with you, so you get to this site. And yeah, I would love if you, after watching this review, you wanna buy the token. You do it with my referral code, so you that way you support my channel, okay? So, well, Satoshi Dex is the world first Bitcoin Dex, and yeah, some people say it's not the first, but yeah, there are some other decks built on Bitcoin that didn't succeed because they did it as a layer one. This is a layer two, okay? So this is the first Bitcoin Dex on built on STAX, okay? And as you can see, the pre-sale is now going on. All right, 2 days. This is always 3 days, okay? And the amount of money raised so far is $12 million, which is quite a lot for a project like this. This is a real gem. I'll tell you more later now, okay? So don't miss this opportunity, guys. And as you can see, this round started when this was 12,050,000, and now we're gonna the goal is 12,100,000. When we reach this amount, the round will change to another round, and the next price is 0.03816. Okay, right now is 0.03705. So the price increases every time with each round. If you think that we're the TGE of this token, so the token generation event, so that this means when the token launches and get listed in the exchanges, which by the way is going to be listed in top tier one exchanges, okay, is just 30 days from today. It's the 30th of June. So you have 1 month still. So that means 10 more rounds minimum. But the rounds have been going crazy and they sell before the timer expires. So, for example, we just changed the round last night, and I think tonight this is going to be gone. Okay, so if you want to get the better prices, you better hurry up. You can buy sats with many different chains. You can do it on Arbitrum, you can do it with Optimism, with Matic, with Base, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and yeah, I don't remember what other, but it's super easy. The only thing you need to do is you to connect your wallet. Let me show you. You connect your wallet here, okay? I'm gonna connect mine, so you see I have no problem. This is legit. I'm not afraid of connecting my wallet. Okay, and so here we go. You see, my wallet is connected on Base now, so I can buy with Base blockchain with ETH, USDC, or DAI. If I want to buy, for example, with Ethereum, I just need to go to my wallet and change the chain to ETH. Okay, so here Well, I guess you know how to do it. You just click here and change it. The same if you want to do it with the smart chain or the smart chain, like I said, with Optimism, Arbitrum, ETH. If you click ETH here, you will see, now we're on ETH here, and you can pay with ETH, USDC, or DAI, and so on and so forward. Okay. So in that case, you just put the amount you want to spend here and click on purchase. One thing very important, guys, the minimum purchase amount is $141. Okay, so if you want to buy $100, you cannot do it. Okay, so this is important. Another good thing of this, I'm going to disconnect my wallet to show you, because otherwise I have to be changing the networks. Okay, cool. Is that we can go and stake our tokens that we don't have already because we haven't claimed them yet. Remember, you will be able to claim on the 30th of June, but in the meantime, you can take them with fucking good API. For ETH, for example, is 100%, but BSC is the one that pays the less, which is where I am, because I bought with Binance Smart Chain, and most of the people are here because of the cheaper transactions fee. So here, more people are staking, and the APY is less. Okay, this is a dynamic APY, so it will change all the time. Okay, the more people staking here, this APY will drop. Okay, but still, this is very good, and I have earned a lot of tokens in the meantime. You can see with ETH is 100%, with Polygon is 110, with Arbitrum is 119, with Base is 108. Most of them over 100 percent APY. That means within a year you double your amount of tokens. AVAX is very strong, 123. Not many people staking here, and Optimism 101. So the only one below 100 right now is BSC. But still, this is very, very good. You still have 1 month to make a purchase and stake them, and yeah, you make quite a lot. Another good thing you can do here is at home, you go here and you can join the wait list. This is not to buy tokens or anything, but this is to try the DEX, to be one of the first ones trying it before it goes live. You need to join the wait list here. You just click here, you put your email address. Okay, I already submitted it, so I'm on the wait list, and you can do so. And here you can check the swap and how it works. Remember, this is the first DEX on Bitcoin. This is pretty cool. So let me go back now. So you can do that. Okay, I'm looking forward to get an airdrop. I don't know, you never know, but when you're those people of the first trying something like this, normally because of using it, you get an airdrop. I'm not sure about this, so don't take my word, but this is something else you can do. If you want to access their Telegram, I highly recommend you to do it from here. You can check their Twitter from here, and this is GitHub, but this is the only two social media available. Don't always access them from here. You can bookmark them, as I have bookmarked this here, you see, so I don't go into any scam site. Okay, so this is pretty much it. If you join the Telegram, you will see me there. I'm very active. I love this project. This is one of my favorite, together with another one. I will review soon, also to give you the proper link so you don't fall into scams. Okay, and so yeah, I think this project has a lot of future. If you think the total supply is 10 billion, the same as Uniswap, and Uniswap reached, I don't remember, $40 per coin. I don't even aim for that, but from the price we are now, if this reaches $3 is 100x. If it reaches $10 is a 300x. And if it reaches like Uni, also another one you can compare this with is PancakeSwap. PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, Uniswap on ETH, this on Bitcoin is pretty much the same tokenomics. So PancakeSwap also, I mean, the token cake also got a huge market cap, and the price was right now is very low, but it went very, very high. So I would say, guys, don't miss this opportunity. By the way, tokenomics, you will be able to claim 35% of your purchase by TGE. I mean, at the end of June, okay, and the other 65% of the tokens will be vested, linearly vested within 3 months. Okay, so after 3 months you can take all your tokens. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my initial investment by TGE, and then I'm gonna leave all my token staking and wait until 2025, the end of bull run. That's when I'm gonna sell. If you find this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions about this, or remember, don't click on any other link. Write me in the comments. I will always reply as soon as possible. Okay, guys? All right, guys, stay well, take care of your investments, and don't do stupid things. Till the next one. Bye.